Hello human bodies. Welcome back. It's Rayhan from Triangle Photo Editing Channel. This is a simple and easy video of Photoshop color grading tutorial. So let's begin. Open Photoshop, and import the photo. When the photo is imported, create a new adjustment layer called Hue and Saturation. Adjust a suitable color for the image. I think this color is matching well with this image. But the subjects are also colorized. Adjustment layers are also layer mask. Press D button on your keyboard to apply black and white colors here. Press X button to exchange the colors. Select the brush tool and select a soft brush. Set the opacity and flow 100%. Now paint on the subject using black color as foreground color. It's working like an eraser. If you accidentally brush outside of subject, don't worry. Paint here using white color as foreground color. Now everything is okay. But the sky is not good enough. Select the background layer. Select the quick selection tool from toolbar and make selection on the sky. Now press Ctrl and J button to create a new layer from the selection. Move this layer to the top. Now go to Image, Adjustment, and then Brightness and Contrast. Adjust the sliders to make the sky more beautiful. And it's done. Here it is before and after. Please subscribe this YouTube channel if you like my videos. Thanks for watching. I'm Rayhan. Signing out.